Hey future nurses, if you want the inside scoop on how to get into nursing school, then you're in the right place. Sit back and relax as we break it down into 7 simple steps. We spoke with Rasmussen University's Dean of Nursing, Joan Rich, for some expert advice you won't hear anywhere else. Let's get started. The first step to getting into nursing school is to identify which type of nurse you would like to become. You have a couple of options here, either the LPN or the RN. An LPN is a licensed practical nurse, while an RN is a registered nurse.
And an LPN is really your entrance level. That'll take a nurse about 4 quarters to complete, a student to complete. And it's for if you want to get into nursing, but you're not really sure that nursing is really a full-time career for you, but yet you have a passion to try nursing, the LPN would be a great route for students.
Next, you'll need to decide which type of education you'll need. If you want to become an LPN, it's a pretty straight shot. LPNs need a nursing diploma, and these programs take about a year. If you want to become an RN, then you have to decide whether to obtain an associate's or bachelor's degree. Both degrees qualify you to become a registered nurse. An associate's degree takes about 2 years, while a bachelor's takes about 4 years.
In some states, you have to have a bachelor's if you want to be a licensed school nurse, for example, or you want to work for the government as a public health nurse.
After you determine the level of education you'll need to achieve your desired nursing position, you'll want to research nursing programs. Some things to pay attention to are the program's accreditation, student support services, and whether they offer flexible learning options.
How do they do on their NCLEX, which is a national exam? And there's a different exam. There's a less difficult but still a national exam for the PN, and there is a different exam for the RN, a little bit more stringent.
After identifying a few nursing programs that fit your needs, it's time to apply. Be aware of deadlines and start the process early. You may be required to include letters of recommendation and an essay, so don't wait until the last minute.
It depends where you apply, what the application process looks like. At our school, we look to the TEAS exam, which is an exam that looks at math, science, and reading.
A nursing information session may be part of your application process. These sessions are for prospective students to learn more about a school's nursing program. They also provide you with the chance to ask questions.
If you decide to go into our program, there are some additional steps you must take. You must have a background check done. You must have your immunizations up to date.
Another part of the nursing school application process is taking an entrance exam. Some schools use the TEAS test. Other schools use similar assessments to examine your reading, math, science, and English skills. Admissions use these test scores to determine whether you're prepared for the academic rigor of nursing school.
The people at the college will help you and show you how you can pre-plan and study for the TEAS, and then you take your TEAS test and see where you land.
All that's left after that is to patiently wait for that coveted acceptance letter. So there you have it, future nurses. Go forth and conquer those nursing school applications. And be sure to check out our School of Nursing blog for more advice on nursing school and what to expect throughout your whole experience.